good quality canned tuna here. Look at how gorgeous. I chopped it up. Okay, lemon time. The crostinis are out. Pile it high. So if you're a tuna person like me, this tuna avocado toast is bomb.com. It is so awesome for lunch, for dinner, for an appetizer, you name it, any meal. This is the recipe for you. So let's get right into it. So I have here some tuna. You really want some good quality canned tuna here. I chunked it up really nice. I'm gonna set that aside. And I'm going to add in some endive. So you can buy these just in the grocery store. They usually come in a little package, and you're just gonna rip off the leaves, just like this. And then you're gonna stack the leaves, put them all facing the same direction. And then take your knife, and you just wanna cut it into little thin slices, just like that. And endive is really nice because it adds a nice sweetness and a very gentle bitterness that's not overwhelming. You can even just cut those in half so it's tinier little pieces. You want everything to really blend together. So I'm going to finish my endive and throw everything in the bowl. Okay, so now that we have our endive right in there, we're moving on to another crunchy element because we want texture in here. I have some sweet onion or Vidalia onion that I finely chopped. I basically minced it. And then I have some chive, and chive is a really mild onion flavor, but it's also a beautiful green color, and it's just gonna brighten this up a little bit. And then I have some beautiful chopped parsley. I got this parsley yesterday from the farm stand. I chopped it up so that it's pretty fine. Ooh, little stem, you don't want that. So then I have an avocado. You want it to be pretty firm. Make sure that it's not really mushy because it's not gonna stand up in our salad. It's just gonna kind of fall apart. So I'm just gonna cut it, take out the pit, and then dice it up. Okay, lemon time. The lemon is going to be our nice little dressing. It's gonna add brightness, and lemon and tuna is such a combo, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna do one half and the second. Some olive oil, just like that. Salt, be generous on this, and pepper. And then take your spoon. I don't even want to ruin it because it's just so pretty the way it is. And toss it together. Wow. Even just alone, you don't even need toast. It's so gorgeous. Summer, summer. I'm gonna put our tuna to the side, as much as it pains me. I want to eat it now. And I'm going to grab this beautiful loaf of ciabatta that I got at a bakery. Ciabatta is the best bread for these toasts or for any bruschetta at all. I'm just going to take my knife and I'm going to cut the end off. You want to save this for something else because you want nice slices. And you're knife number 3 here. Okay, finally it works. Serrated knife is the key. You want slices that are about this thick, maybe a little bit thinner. This one's kind of fat. Wow, I'm really just not doing well here. Let's try this again. We're gonna have lots of olive oil with just bread tonight. This is perfect. This is what you want. Trust me, you want that thin. You want it hefty enough to really stand on its own, but you want it thin enough where it's not solid bread. So you're just gonna go ahead, cut the bread with your serrated knife, and don't have many leftovers like me. Let me eat. I have leftover bread for a reason. Okay, finally that the bread debacle is over, I'm gonna take some olive oil and just do a generous but relatively light zhuzh all over our bread so that it soaks it up. And then we're just going to pop them in the oven on broil, and you're gonna let each side broil for about 3 minutes or so until they're nice and golden brown, very light golden brown, but make sure to flip them halfway through to get the other side. The crostinis are out. So toasty. I want this one. I've been waiting and waiting to have my tuna avocado toast so patiently. All I want to do is just pile it high with some of this gorgeous mixture. And then I'm going to pinch off just a little bit more parsley if you want to be fancy, make it look pretty. And then do not knife and fork this. You gotta just let it shatter in your mouth. Get the whole experience. So fresh, so summery. Reminds me so much of Italy. It's just magical. Check it out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Spa time.